Gang, gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. I don't know the Dan is back in the lab. And see what we are doing today, man. Yeah, man, we're back with Govana and Skeng for another collab. You see me, the one name that me say. The first time we saw Govana and Skeng on a track was Gunman Spaniard. And I think they actually, that song actually connect. I think they actually found a hit with that one. I think it was like a year or two ago. I think he has like 10 million views right now. So they definitely made some great music. You see me I say? But look like them come back for a repeat. You see me I say? They must look to make magic again. You see me Governor Skeng come the one of them that me say. It's a good look. I'm really interested to hear what the one that sound like. You see me as a gang. So we don't know all of the vibes much longer. Check it out. Governor Skeng. That me say. Let's get it. Come on.
First girl, let up me say. Is a gun money up in your fat pussy.
Yeah.
Me go take it on a ride for your anger. Me squeeze
Yeah.
and jump.
Alright. Yes. First girl, that me say. Gunman in your own. Hey, gunman in like that. Yeah, man, me like, alright, come in. Yeah, man. Bad tune, come in. Come in. Like how it starts.
First girl, let up me say. Is a gun money up in your fat pussy. Me go take
A gunman you have in there. Yeah, man, last time I put like intro, come in. Show the man, man.
First girl, let up me say. Is a gun money up in your fat pussy. Me go take it on a ride for your anger. Me squeeze and jump me. You me the long pussy. You get me. First girl,
I take you up on a ride, man. You see me making wrong with me. Yeah, man.
me say. Pop. And get mad and go on psycho-ish. I send it.
Mama, easy now, man. Video just has that.
Best friend around the girl of it. Pretty man bam bam do me no
One
shot
tip.
him.
Girl, you have a cute and a little. Say she want to ring me by two for the nipple. I
Y'all are the good one. Girl, you have the cute and the liquor. Say she want to ring me by two for the nipple. I want your girl come through.
cause you born with the glue for the mickle. Use up a sitting and bruise up a chisel.
Yeah.
Girl,
Glue, mama. Yeah, man. Super glue. Gorilla glue. Easy now, man.
move, make you jiggle on my broom. Make me lock in my room like a prison. Pussy feel new like a shoes pan a cripple. Every line I'm
Feel new, mama. Like a brand new pair of shoes out and you feel easy now, man. Never been one before. Easy now.
me tune, girl, I listen. Girl, I break the one who about the light chick boy. See the preview in the tight sprint out. Make me feel the pussy where you
Easy now, man.
hyping boy. Bubble
Moms them out. The moms them out. Come in.
I'm about to make the boy sing now. Wild and out. Govy, make the girl them wine and shout. Yeah, me love the girl them with the diamond mouth. Earrings, girl love time and
Yeah, man. We love the girl them with the diamond mouth. Easy now, man. Man, come in.
oh.
First girl, let up me say. Is a gun money up in your fat pussy. Me a go take it on a ride for your anger. Me squeeze and jump me. You me the long pussy. You
Yeah, man. You me along for man. I'm here, man. Come through.
get me. First girl, let up me say.
Oh, my border cat. That easy, the dog. Border cat. Don't play with the dog. Don't play with the children. Say that fresh and thing. But like 90s dancehall. Eh.
Get me. First girl, let up me say. Pop and get mad and go on psycho-ish. I send the best friend around the girl of it. Pretty man bam bam do me no shot him. She go deal with it.
Easy now, Skeng. What could you hear I deal with on the beat, Magic One?
Time them all love it, get the girl them. Cause them wild and all stand
Yeah.
out in a crowd. Time make up loud.
Yeah.
They lace with dry like water with wow.
Blow out. Go the girl go.
Ooh, alright, my God, man. We go, Skeng. I think they find one. I think the ladies gonna really like this one. No cap. Y'all like that one.
What feel?
Go there.
While you use your tongue and lock me.
Good.
You what feel? Something tight with them not need. Take a snap fit. Tell you all your friend them see us pain man a day.
Come out.
First girl, let up me say. Is a gun
Easy now, mama. Hey, the moms, them hard. Yeah, man,
money
man.
up in your fat pussy. Me a go take it on a ride for your anger. Me squeeze and jump me. You me the long pussy.
Easy now,
Say,
man.
you get me. First girl, let up me say. Pop and get mad and go on psycho-ish. I send the best friend around the girl of it. Pretty man bam bam do me no shot catch him.
Girl, you have
My best friend round the lingo with him and pound. Don't make that easy like but
the must come back. Spend on your body and custom that.
Yeah.
Living on your belly, come me love comfort. Answer your
my man say yeah, we must come back. Spend money when I got a custom. Jeez, man, for your body, you make custom that.
One man, my bus gunshot. Hey, love the girl them with the chuck bumper. No for back it up and no for broke number. Nah, go forget to like my first number. Say the
Oh, man, love the girl them with the chuck bumper. No, for broke the light lumber. Nah, go forget to like my first number.
two pussy jar, them my bus rumper.
Using a one.
Yeah, driver, they really be sick kid of that.
Yeah, man. Boy, yeah, man, the one for the ladies, man. Yeah, man. Govy. Skeng. Yeah, man. Spain dog them out, man. They might do them thing, man. Nice collab. Ladies gonna love that one. You see me, I say? First cur, mama. Yeah, man. First cur. Like that, me say. Gunman in it. Alright. I'm holding down. You see me, I say? Yeah. You don't know what time it is. It's a vibe. Me enjoy that one. It's a good look, good collab. And then I expect them to collab so soon. Again. Well, it's not even soon now. About 2 years ago, them job was Sunday, but yeah, man, me and I look for them collab. I didn't expect this right now. Anyway, that's what I'm trying to say. But yeah, they work good in the past, work well in the past, and they work well now. You know what I'm saying? So it's a good look. Shout out to Govana and Skeng. Keep the bangers coming, keep the collabs coming, man. It's a good look for dancehall overall. As in, me loving. None of the ladies gonna love this shit. So, ladies, if you like the one, definitely hit the like button, ladies. You know what I'm saying? If you go show the artists and love our support, run this one up, and if you like the track, man, I'll make DJ them play it and the club phone and them thing there. You see me, I say? And drop in the comments what's your favorite part, all that good stuff. You don't know. Till next time, gang. It's your boy Jambisco. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. You already know what time it is.
On a play my DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.